Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to check VGA card, Windows status, and other computer specs on your machine, laptop or desktop. There are two different ways to do this, but first I'll go through the one which provides more information and is not difficult, it is easy. So to do that, press Windows and Alt key together to open this dialog box, the run one, and write down DX, DIAG, DX and press enter or click OK. And this directs diagnostic tool window opens up. So by default, it is always on the system tab, and it provides the information about your system as well as Windows. And you see here it is registered to Salman Safi. This is Windows Education version 64-bit, and the rest of all those things. In here you see DirectX version, DirectX 12. So my computer is equipped with DirectX 12. And then going to Display tab provides the information about your graphics card. It is HD graphics 530, and the rest things are also given over here. And on this side you have the information about the drivers running your HD graphics card. And on the third tab, which is render, if you click on this, it provides further details. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 950M, that's what my computer is equipped with, manufacturer NVIDIA, and then all the rest of information. And here again, this panel provides the information of the drivers running the hardware, this one. You can check the rest of this. This provides about the audio's hardware on my computer, and this is of course the mouse, keyboard, and HP wireless button, etc. So this is one way of checking your specs of the computer in VGA card. There is another way which is also very easy, but that provide partial information and not with such detail, and that you can do by going to settings, computer settings. So to go there, you first need to click the Windows and I button simultaneously on the keyboard to go to Windows settings. And being on Windows settings, click on Systems, and on the system drag down this menu and come to About. And on the About windows, these are the specs available for your computer, and this is the specification for Windows. In this way you can check your computer specification. So thanks for watching.